Chandrayaan-2. The main scientific objective is to map and study the variations in lunar surface composition, as well as the location and abundance of lunar water. The spacecraft was launched from the second launch pad at the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Andhra Pradesh on July 22, 2019. The descent and soft landing were to be performed by the onboard computers on Vikram, with mission control unable to make corrections. The initial descent was considered within mission parameters, passing critical braking procedures as expected, but the lander's trajectory began to deviate at about 2.1 kilometers, 1.3 miles above the surface. The final telemetry readings during ISRO's live stream show that Vikram's final vertical velocity was 58 meters per second, 210 kilometers per hour, at 330 meters, 1,080 feet above the surface, which a number of experts noted would have been too fast for the lunar lander to make a successful landing. Initial reports suggesting a crash were confirmed by ISRO Chairman K. Sivan, stating that it must have been a hard landing. However, it contradicted initial claims from anonymous ISRO officials that the lander was intact and lying in a tilted position, although it was 98% of successful mission. Chandrayaan-3 is the third and most recent lunar exploration mission under Chandrayaan program. It consists of a lander named Vikram and a rover named Pragyan, similar to Chandrayaan-2 but does not have an orbiter. Its propulsion module behaves like a communication relay satellite. The propulsion module carries the lander and rover configuration until the spacecraft is in a 100 km lunar orbit, following Chandrayaan-2, where a last-minute glitch in the landing guidance software led to the lander crashing after entering lunar orbit. Another lunar mission was proposed. The launch of Chandrayaan-3 took place on 14 July 2023, and lunar injection of 100 km circular polar orbit was completed successfully as part of Phase 1-2-11. The lander and rover are expected to land near the lunar South Pole region on August 23, 2023. The Chandrayaan-3 mission is a stepping stone towards ISRO's future interplanetary missions. ISRO has set three main objectives for the Chandrayaan-3 mission, which include getting a lander to land safely and softly on the surface of the Moon, observing and demonstrating the rover's loitering capabilities on the Moon, in-sight observation and conducting experiments on the materials available on the lunar surface to better understand composition of the Moon.